In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to generate and manage custom reports. Whether you're a business owner or someone tasked with handling accounts, understanding this process can be a real game changer, saving you both time and effort. To begin, let's head over to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and navigate your way to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the landing page, which serves as a control center for all your accounting needs. Familiarity with this interface will undoubtedly help streamline your workflow. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Invoices section. This area is key for accessing all your billing and payment records. Consider it the heart of your financial transactions within QuickBooks. Once you're in the Invoices section, you can view, create, and manage all invoices from this centralized hub. The next step is to click on Custom Reports. This feature allows you to tailor your reports according to your specific needs. Custom reports are incredibly valuable, offering insights into the financial aspects that matter most to your business. By clicking here, you can begin the process of crafting reports that focus on data that's particularly significant to your operations. After selecting Custom Reports, you'll find an option labeled Highlight. Although it might seem a bit redundant as it's repeated twice, this step is crucial for selecting specific data sets or criteria that you want to bring into focus within your report. Consider this a process of refining your report to ensure it's as useful and informative as possible. Continuing with the process, head to the search bar. Here you'll want to type in Invoices. Using the search bar is akin to having a direct line to the exact information you're seeking within QuickBooks. It's an efficient way to narrow down the vast array of data at your disposal, zeroing in on the invoices, which are our primary focus today. Lastly, click on Invoices once more. This final step confirms your selection and pulls up the customized report based on the criteria you've set. What you're doing here is instructing QuickBooks to compile all the relevant invoice data into a format that's easy to analyze and draw insights from, ultimately helping you make informed business decisions. By following these steps, you not only learn how to access and manage invoices through QuickBooks effectively, but you're also gaining the skills to harness the power of custom reports. These reports can provide a clearer picture of your business's financial health and help you identify significant trends or discrepancies. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with QuickBooks, the more adept you'll become at managing your business's finances with confidence. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to give it a try.